So the GoPro Hero 8 Black has just had a new software update a few days ago, and I like to try and keep you guys updated about what's going on. So let's see what's new with that. So GoPro has added Hypersmooth High mode to a few different resolutions. So you've got 2.7K in 30, 25 and 24 frames per second, and the same in 1080p, 30, 25 and 24 frames per second. So now you can use Hypersmooth High in those settings. You can also use Hypersmooth Boost wherever you were using SuperView. So right when the GoPro first came out, you'll see here Hypersmooth Boost was only available on wide, linear and narrow. Now they've introduced it to SuperView, which is, the widest setting that the GoPro can do. So something else they've done is add support for the display mod. And if you're a little bit confused about the display mod, that's because it's not out yet. Here's what it looks like. And you can see available in September. It's going to be $80 or £80, same price. And it's basically just a flip up screen that you can use to see what the GoPro is recording. Now, the final one that they've done is enable the support for the GoPro webcam. You might have seen in my GoPro news video about a month ago, they released this and it was available just for Mac. Now it's available for Windows as well. So look out for a video coming out soon about how to set that up. One very minor usability improvement that GoPro's made with this new update is they used to have in the default mode settings, last video, last photo, and last time lapse. And now they've just added last used. I always used to have it on last video because I pretty much just use this thing for video, but that's a nice little feature as well. There's also a ton of minor bugs that they've patched, so there's a bunch of other stuff. If you guys are interested, I will link the full update release all down below. And if, like me, it's been a little while since you've updated your GoPro and you've forgotten how to do it, I'll just walk you through that quickly as well now. So you want to grab your phone and head over to the GoPro app. And then once you're on the GoPro app, you're going to want to switch your camera on and connect to it. And then you should be able to see a pop-up that says new software update. Just hit update on that. It might take you through to this other screen that says that you don't have enough battery or not enough SD card space, yada, yada, yada. Just try and fix some of the problems in there and then try it again. Eventually you'll get it working and it'll update via the GoPro app, and that's the easiest way to do it. There is another way to do it through the website, and I again will link that down in the description below, so go check that out if you don't want to do it through the app.